bitch, I'm a bad boss bitch. Reckless, unapologetic. You took me down, left my side, now you're coming back. So stupid.
Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elina Midikira. I do content about lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, hair and everything in between. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to support me. On today's video, I'm just getting ready to go to Eastleigh because I have some errands there. So yeah, last night I slept a bit late, and that's why I decided to at least put on a bit of makeup so that my face won't look so tired. Yeah. So guys, my makeup routine is just simple. I usually apply primer and then foundation and then powder, and then I draw my eyebrows and I put on lip gloss. I am not a makeup guru. I don't know how to do it. I just do it small for me, and I mostly do it when I did not get enough sleep. That's why I do, so that I can't look too tired. Yes. So that's a hack. If you didn't have enough sleep, just put on a bit of makeup and nobody will know. Because for me, if I don't get enough sleep, I usually have big eye bags. As you can see right now, it's just there showing. But if I apply a bit of makeup, I won't look that tired. I have been having my sleep pattern has really changed for the few months ago, but at least now I'm getting better. I never used to have enough sleep. I used to sleep very late and wake up very early, not because I don't have that time to sleep, but because there is no sleep at all. But I'm getting better, and I thank God.
Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can, and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make.
For those who do not know where to get matatus to Eastleigh, you see that building, that's Archives, and then I'm in a matatu right now, just opposite it. There is matatu there that goes straight to Garissa.
DJ Dusty, Lasma Kashike. Twende kikulacho tutakuta beste yako ndiye alikula bibi yako, ndio maana mimi uka peke yangu tu.
So guys, we just reached to Eastleigh, and I do my shopping opposite day to day shopping mall. Just opposite there is a mall there, Darussalam that's where I buy my stuff from. And today I was just going to buy some dresses, but I lost the footage. Now I can't show you what I got. So this is the shop Darussalam. So this is me going back home. I just finished my shopping and I'm going back home. I lost the footage, me showing inside whatever I was getting. I lost that footage, that's why I did not insert there, and I'm really sorry for that. So yesterday I went to sleep, but I came a bit late, so I didn't show whatever I got from there. And today I need to take those items to the airport because someone is there waiting for them around 2 or 3. And now it's like 10. I need to pick some items before I go. I need to pick, add them, then I can go. Yeah, so before that, let's clean my space first, so that when I come back later, kama nimechoka, I'll just have to rest ama niingie job, because I usually work from 6 p.m. Yeah, so let's clean up and then we can go together to the airport. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Subscribe please if you haven't. Yeah, I really appreciate, I will appreciate that. Yeah, so let's get to cleaning.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be.
So guys, this bag that I am pushing is the bag that I'll be taking to the airport soon, and it's the one that has the things that I bought from Eastleigh. I didn't show whatever I got from there because I lost your footage. I don't know how I lost it, but I lost it anyway. So I never showed whatever I got, but this bag is full of whatever I got. They were just dresses for ladies and official and casual, and that's it. Yeah.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams.
So guys, if you ever walk into my house and find that place neat, just know my son is sick or I've given him away, because that place is never neat. As long as he is in this house, it's never neat. No matter how many times you make a day, he'll always come back there to play with those shoes and throw however he wants to.
I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Thank you so much guys for watching to this part, and this is the end of the video as I deliver the goods, and see you. If you love the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And bye bye until next time. See you.